Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today. I'm just prepping some of the Cabachons and the gummy bears that I got from Beebee Crafts. I will show you them again, and the original video I'll have linked here for my unboxing. But here are some of the Cabachons that I got. So those are some of the Cabachons that I got from Beebee Crafts that I'm turning into charms. And then I also picked up these resin flat back gummy bears in assortments of colors that I am turning these into charms as well. And I also got some bales, some gold ones, some antique colored ones, and some silver ones. So they're bigger than I thought, so I could only really use the bigger Cabachons that I received, as well as the gummies. I don't know, they might look a little off because the size ratio, it could be okay, but all I did was take a bale. I picked a Cabachon that I wanted to use, so let's see, I did a few of these. I got some E6000 that I smeared on, and there's a word on this, so I just want to make sure it's upright. And then so there's a word on here. I just want to make sure that it is upright when I adhere the bale to the back, and then I just let it dry. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. It doesn't want to focus. But yeah, so I'll put this on the side to dry. As you can see, I've made a whole bunch. I'm just waiting for them to dry so I can play with them. They're a little dry, but they haven't set long enough to set in. But here's some of the ones I made with the silver bales. Here's some gold bales. These are like Oreo cookies. And the gummy bear. So I'm going to leave these overnight to dry and set in. I'll show you more gummies. So I think the bale, the hook, the eye, I don't know, whatever this part is called at the top where the hole is, it's kind of big. But those are them. So I can add them to my projects, dangles, that kinds of things. Here's some other macaroon, popsicles, and I added those bales that I received from Beebee Crafts. So I'm gonna go back and see, maybe they have smaller loops, these things on the bale, that would be more symmetrical with the items I'm using. I got these screw eyes. These screw eyes off of AliExpress, and I was trying to stick them in the top of the gummy bear to create a loop so I can put a hook in it to make a charm as well. But I don't have a drill bit small enough. I'm not sure if you guys know what drill bit you guys use for small. I think it's 1/32, but I'm not sure. And if a hand drill works just as well as like a Dremel or something like that. If you have comments on that, I would love to hear about them in the description, in my comment section below. Any help would be appreciated, as it was very frustrating trying to figure out how to get these eye screws, and I'll show you them, these eye screws in to the Cabachon, or you know, the sweets Cabachons that I hauled from Beebee Craft, or even the gummy bear. So yeah, information, please, if you have any tips, tricks, love to hear about them. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And for more videos like these, like and subscribe. You can find videos here. And until my next video, shakas.